Frequency separation has been discussed plenty, but the actual purpose of the technique often gets lost. We're not just making skin smooth, we're separating structural information from textural information so we can address them independently. This is fundamental to non-destructive retouching. Create 2 duplicate layers of your background. On the first duplicate, apply a high-pass filter with a radius of about 0.3 pixels. Set this layer's blend mode to linear light and label it Detail. This layer now contains only the fine textural information, pores, small blemishes, skin texture. On the second duplicate, apply Gaussian blur with a radius of about 5 to 8 pixels, depending on image resolution. Label this Structure.